I'm very glad that I get the opportunity to endorse the ASF-funded research proposal by Dr. Ben Philpot and colleagues. Angelman syndrome is caused by the loss of a functional Ube3a gene. And there is no doubt that the most promising therapy to treat Angelman syndrome involves the activation of the paternal Ube3a gene. This approach was first pioneered by Dr. Philpot, who showed that the topoisomerase inhibitor topotecan can activate the paternal Ube3a gene. Unfortunately, the safety profile of topotecan is not very good, and the use of this drug will probably yield too many side effects to be useful in the clinic. With financial support from the Angelman Syndrome Foundation, Dr. Philpot will now test 3 different compounds that can activate the paternal Ube3a gene. Using an AS mouse model, he will assess the efficacy of these 3 drugs and investigate if these drugs are suitable to be used in the clinic. Hopefully, his research will bring us a large step forward towards finding a treatment for Angelman syndrome.
So, a number of years ago, we discovered small molecule compounds that can activate the silent paternal allele of Ube3a. And this is really exciting because these are potential therapeutics for Angelman syndrome. However, the drugs that we found that could do this are a class of drugs known as topoisomerase inhibitors, which have some known toxicities. So we continue to explore different types of topoisomerase inhibitors that we can use to unsilence the paternal allele of Ube3a without adverse side effects. But in parallel, we're really excited by a new discovery we've made. What we've discovered recently is we've discovered 3 new compounds that are not topoisomerase inhibitors that are capable of unsilencing the paternal allele of Ube3a. So we verified that these are new compounds that don't act through that pathway. And now what we're doing is trying to understand, are these compounds safe? Can they be effectively delivered to the brain? And if so, can they produce enough unsilencing to provide therapeutic benefit? So this is a new endeavor that we've launched. We were fortunate to be able to partner with Pfizer Pharmaceuticals to get a small drug compound library that allowed us to study this. And it's through their library that we identify these new compounds. And we're thankful to support from the Angelman Syndrome Foundation to be able to continue this exciting new line of research. Thanks.